And some of us in the station did. News Channel 9's Kendra Broadus joining us live. She's at Burnett Park for us this afternoon in Syracuse. Kendra, you've been talking to people today. What are they telling you?
Well, Christy, some people felt it and others say they didn't, but most can agree that this is something very unique to feel here in central New York. A daily routine that was shaken up by the 4.8 magnitude earthquake, leaving some people in central New York confused or feeling disoriented. Some thought the movement was their cats messing around or the wind hitting the house, but ultimately first noticed the earthquake because objects in their houses were shaking.
So I was just sitting here, right here at the kitchen table, and I felt it shaking, and I looked over and said, the table's shaking, and didn't know what it was.
I did see the curtain string kind of move a little bit right at the same time, and it was over pretty quick, but it was definitely something I felt.
Coming up at 5, how often do earthquakes actually happen in the Northeast? Live in Syracuse, Kendra Broadus, News Channel 9.
Kendra, thank you.